Hi, Lazy Keto Queen Lisa here. Today we just finished making my Asian sesame beef stir fry. So now I have to make the keto fried rice. With that, I'm going to use this riced cauliflower. You can use any brand, any kind. I found this roasted garlic. I think it'll add some great flavor. Also, I'm going to add some diced onions in there. I'm going to add some eggs, some soy sauce, some garlic, cook it in sesame oil, and then to top it off, some scallions. You can also add a little bit of ginger if you like. Depends what you are feeling for the day. So my pan, I just finished this delicious dish. We're just going to utilize it so all those flavors are still in there. We're going to add a little bit of sesame oil. You can use olive oil, whatever it is you like. I like the sesame oil. I'm going to let that heat up. I'm going to steam this for half the time it says on the back of the bag. That way it's not all mushy. I'll drain it out and then we will continue with the recipe. So this bag on the back it says about 5 minutes. I'm going to give it about 2.5 minutes and then get it sizzling in that oil. So the oil is sizzling. We're going to add our eggs, but first I didn't cook this all the way through. You can see there's a lot of water in there. So I'm going to pour it into my sink and drain it on a paper towel. And then we're going to get these eggs going. So we're frying up our eggs. Going to add a little bit of the onion to it. The more flavor, the better. Add a little bit of garlic powder. Put a little bit of ginger to give it that Asian flair. About 1.5 teaspoons. Let's get these eggs cooking. Those onions won't take long to get nice and tender. While that cooks up, I'm going to get my cauliflower drained and patted dry. If you keep it too moist, the cauliflower, it won't be like rice. It'll be gushy and mushy. So now I'm going to add the drained cauliflower, which I just put in a paper towel, squeezed it, get out as much of the liquid as I could. Again, I didn't cook it all the way. And this was one bag. If it's just for you, I know no one in my family eats the cauliflower, but if you need more, make a couple bags. I've seen them at Costco's and Sam's, like big bags of them. I'm going to add my soy sauce, give it that color, and we're going to add our scallions. I like scallions, so I'm putting in about a tablespoon. And look at that. Just going to let those scallions soften up a little. We do want that little crunch from them. Let that rice finish heating up. But doesn't that look delicious? So that's it for my cauliflower fried rice. If you would like to add to it, look at the link down below to find the recipe for my beefy Asian sesame ginger stir fry. Like, follow, hit the links below.